Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. A quick video update for you. Wednesday evening, and thunderstorms are really beginning to flare up just to our south along a stationary boundary. A few of these have been severe. Have seen a couple of reports of large hail out there. This is the latest radar loop, and sure is going to be a stormy, wet evening commute across central Indiana. This is really just the beginning of what will be a rather wet and increasingly chilly, blustery time of things as we go through the next 24 hours or so. The Storm Prediction Center continues to highlight areas just south of Interstate 70 for a marginal risk of severe weather. As mentioned, we've already had a few warnings and large hail reports across south-central portions of the state. We'll take a look at the latest surface map here. Let me back this up really fast. And the setup is one that we've described to you over on NDWX.com. The stationary boundary is off to our south. An area of low pressure or surface low is forming on that front across central portions of Missouri. That area of low pressure will essentially ride northeast over the next 24 hours and spread pretty widespread moderate to heavy rain really throughout the entire Ohio Valley and into the interior portions of the Northeast. And we'll put this into motion and you get the idea of what we're looking at over the next 24 hours. Now this cold front, once it sweeps through the area tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, will really be responsible for pulling in some of the coolest air we've seen so far this season. So an unseasonably cool close to the work week looms and a very chilly start to the weekend as well. We'll take a look at the forecast radar here, and this is just the beginning of what will be, again, a rather wet and at times stormy time of things through the next 24 hours or so before the rain finally begins to push off to the east in association with that area of low pressure moving northeast. By tomorrow evening, we're looking at a very blustery and raw feel here across central Indiana with a much cooler air mass in place. Speaking of the cool, this is a look at forecast temperatures early Thursday morning, right around the 60-degree mark. But temperatures tomorrow will actually fall and then probably remain steady through the afternoon hours before falling off rather quickly tomorrow night. I think we stay in the mid-50s throughout central Indiana for the majority of the daytime hours tomorrow, again before falling quickly tomorrow night. Eventually by Friday morning into the lower 40s. Highs Friday likely only in the mid-50s with increasing amounts of sunshine. And then as we move into the weekend, lots of sunshine can be expected, but a cool, crisp, autumn-like weekend is in store. Guys, a fresh 7-day will be posted later on tonight or first thing tomorrow morning. In the meantime, make it a great evening, and we'll talk with you soon on NDWX.com.